Come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency. Come and see. Defi bully. Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me. Me just bingo. In a crypto. Brand new money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is DeFi Bully. I'm about to hop into this new Solar Farm version 2. It's been out like a couple days now. It's a lot of hype. You already know the success of the first one. And they got some new things implemented to make sure that it lasts even longer than the first one. But before I get into all that, y'all already know the drill. DeFi Bully YouTube page, you on that push to 1,000 subscribers. So do what you gotta do to support the channel, because you know your boy is monetized, and all these investments and things I'll be doing is out of my own pocket. It's out of my own pocket. So hit that like button and then marry the damn video. You heard me? It's notification bell NASA. So, all right, boom. So from the page, the page is like updated. It's the same page from the first Solar Farm, I believe. But now they have a part that says version 2. If you click that, you're greeted with this page. Now currently, the value locked is 672 BNB, which if you go to BSC scan, works out to be about $144,000. Every time I look, it raises a little bit. I did add about like $25 when I was at like 200 and something, less than 300 BNB. And I'm wishing I threw more, because some of the new features that they have is to basically help the contract not be drained. You know what I mean? Like they have compounding bonuses, 1.5% for a max of 15% if you keep compounding. 10% referral bonuses. I will have my link down below. Show support. Just join up. Right now it's mad early because I believe this is gonna do better than the first one eventually. And if you remember the first one, it did take a little bit of time to take off. Now they do have solar guard penalties, like I was saying. And right here it shows Solar Farm version 2 is protected by the Solar Guard fairness system. Solar Guard employs the help of various penalty mechanisms to keep its investors safe. So pretty much what it does is when you start abusing that claim button or the sell power button, like if you just claiming every day, you'll start to get taxed, okay? You'll start to get taxed. This one is the base abuse. To educate our users about the importance of responsible profit taking, we have implemented a baseline punishment mechanism that works such that once you sell over 5 times your fresh value, you will receive a 50% penalty to the amount you withdraw. This amount is stackable with the other punishments. If the user is caught attempting to bypass the system in any way, the protocol reserves the right to add their wallet to a blacklist, will prevent them from further selling. All right, that one right there is serious. So as long as you're following the rules of you know, just compound a couple times, then withdraw, compound food, you know what I mean? You should be able to avoid that. Okay, and like I said, if you 5 times your fresh value, then you will start to see that. Okay. They have a dump abuse to further educate, blah blah. Is this the same type of thing? No, I think it's saying something else. To further educate the users about the importance of responsible profit taking, we have implemented a punishment mechanism that works against those attempting to withdraw large, irresponsible amounts from the total value locked at once. If a user attempts to sell an amount greater than or equal to their fresh value, they will receive a 50% tax and a 10% panel reduction. We know about this. This is a minor. So once you buy in with your BNB, you do receive a certain amount of panels. In my case, I have 120 panels right now, and I'll do another live buy-in for you guys because I am hopeful about this project, and I think these new anti-dump mechanisms that they implemented is a very good way for them to sustain. Okay. So you see that, and then the last one is the spam abuse, which is a 75% tax and negative 10% on their minus 10% on the panels. So it says again, to educate our users about the benefits of long-term investments in the minor protocols, we have implemented a punishment mechanism that works against those attempting to sell often. If a user attempts to sell with less than 15 compounds between each sell, they will receive a 75% tax and 5% reduction in panel 5% panel reduction penalty. This amount is stackable with the other punishments, and the minimum compound interval is 90 minutes. So you could technically compound every 90 minutes. Therefore, to avoid receiving this penalty, you must compound at least 22.5 hours between each cell. Okay? Let's compound for at least. Okay, if that makes sense to you guys. All right. So again, the spam abuse is a punishment mechanism that works against those attempting to sell too often. If a user attempts to sell with less than 15 compounds between each sell. So the more of the game right now is just to compound a good amount of times, at least 15 times to be safe, and then do your withdrawal. Okay. So I'm gonna do right now is I have a little bit of BNB in my wallet. I'm gonna take about 100 US worth, which at right now should be about man, BNB is at 215. Man, volatile. Today didn't go down too much. Well, we're at the low right now. Okay. So I'll put about $100 worth, which is 0.46 BNB. Go back to here. 0.46 BNB. That's going to give me about 200 panels. Let's go ahead and build those panels, people. I wonder if I do a fresh deposit, do I also have to compound, or does it compound what I have waiting to compound? We'll see that right now. We will see that right now. As soon as this goes through, okay, confirm transaction. We got some other plays going on right now, some risky ones. This one right here is one of the more safer ones. You want to make sure you have a little bag and all of these things. You can't put your eggs in one basket. This is just a good way to, diversify and pretty much just try to keep your head in the clear. So you see right now I got 355 panels. My panel value is at 0.79 BNB, which works out to be, and that first one, like I said, I only deposited about $25 at a time. I can't remember how much BNB that was, but 0.75. So right now my pound's worth about $160. But with the power of compounding, 0.79, let's see. Yeah, $170. And with the power of compounding, obviously that could continue to grow and grow. Okay. Now right here, it shows my power generated is at, oh, so I guess it did compound with it, I believe. Yeah, it did compound with it because I believe a while ago my power value had some value. So since I did do that deposit, I do believe it added to the amount. So it gave me more panels than I was supposed to get from just the deposit. They also gave me the amount I was supposed to get from the compounding. And another thing I realized, every time you refresh this page, you gotta reconnect your wallet. So maybe that's another safety feature they implemented, whatever the case is. I did miss. I did miss the first solar farm. I came in late. When I wanted to go in, when my group was talking about it, Bullpen Millionaires, link down below. When my Telegram group was talking about it, I was like, oh man, I feel like I missed out. Now this one, it is in the beginning stages, so you're definitely still early if you want to jump in now. If you guys want to take a peep, I will show you right here. It'll show, if you look at Moonarch, that app, it'll show you how old this is. But like I said, the link will be down below. Okay. My cooldown is in an hour and 27 minutes. All right. You have to wait for this cooldown timer before you could sell in these type of things. So if you look right here, it shows Solar Farm version 2. It's been out for, today is day 4. Okay, it's paying 14.3% a day or 15%. And right now it's still on an uptrend. I think it's at the highest uptrend of anything in Moonarch. So right now is definitely the time to get in while it's growing. While it's doing that, I'm gonna do some dollar cost averaging over time while I'm viewing this and everything like that. Wait, why is it saying my spam is unsafe? What is that? What spam abuse did I do? I don't think I withdrew from this platform. I'll look deeper into that. Try to figure out. Yeah, see, total sales 0 last time. Oh, I believe like hold on. Okay, okay. I was just thinking a while ago, why does this spam part right here? I don't know if you guys can see it. Why is it saying unsafe? Well, I believe it's saying unsafe is because I didn't reach that level of compounds. Right now, I believe it says 4 right here. So I believe like once that hits like 15 or so, that should switch to safe, and then it'll be safe for me to sell the power and actually claim some of that BNB. Another thing real interesting, I don't want to take up too much time, but you could adjust the amount that you would like to sell. You could sell a certain quantity of the amount of rewards that you acquired over the time, which is something that I've never seen in a miner, and I like this. I'm bullish. This is taking notes from the Crops Miner book, and I believe it's a good way to maintain because we see the success of those and the longevity of those so far. And I would definitely hope to see it in this, especially because I'm invested. But remember, people, oh, damn, the value going up while I'm on video. But yeah, remember, people, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. Only invest what you're willing to lose. It's DeFi. It's risky. We know the vibes. We know what we're getting ourselves into. We some DJs. We trying to get rich. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. And these are not financial advice, but I would get in early. You heard me.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.